First fish of the day. I was not recording, but damn. Nice. Kobe. Oh, double jump. Nice. Nice, dude. You want me to grab it for you? You want me to grab it for you? Dude, right after I fix that for you, dude. Yeah. Let it fight you, let it fight you. Let it fight, tire it out. You felt that? Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. That's a keeper. Dude, that's all you, bruh. Let's see it, let's see it. Damn, first fish of the day. Whoa! It's a big one. It's a big one. It's a big one. Let's see the release. Yeet. Oh my god. Couldn't you have done it more gently? This guy, no respect for fish.
Sorry. It's been a while.
Dude, today could be your lucky day, man. I swear, moving baits never work in the Bay Area because too much people fish, and these fish aren't gonna fall for it. Have you ever caught a bass on a moving bait? Me either. I've never caught a bass on a moving bait. Starting off with this chatterbait, working a moving bait. Gonna see if there's any active fish this morning. If not, I'm most likely going to move on to a Senko. 99% sure that's what's going to happen.
Like, who are you talking to?
I'm talking about camera. Dude, gotta add some commentary, dude.
Barry Basin here. Move the Senko.
Barry Basin. That's hella funny. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at Lake Del Valle. Back here at my local lakes today, fishing with my two friends, Spencer and Brent. Air temps right now, probably about high 50s. Later on in the day, it's gonna be freaking hot. 80 degrees. I'm gonna be burning up. Burning. Just like I'm burning this chatterbait and I'm getting nothing, so I'm gonna switch over real soon. I know it. I just know it.
Kobe.
Alright, I gave the chatterbait a run for its money. I gave you a chance, Mr. Chatterbait. Does the sunglasses help right now?
No.
Okay. Just wondering. I really want to throw the Senko around, but I'm trying to catch something on something different. God damn.
First easy kill?
Dude. Because I know I'm going to resort to it later. Got another bite. Yep. This is the smallest one of the day. Woo! I'm gonna flip it. Oh, is it a smallmouth? No, I don't know. Oh, 1, 2. It's a smallmouth.
Kobe.
Is it? No, it's a largemouth. Is it? I can't tell.
It's a baby.
Oh, it's a smallmouth. It's a freaking smallmouth, dude.
Very nice.
Dude, oh my god. Oh man, I caught the smallmouth. Yes, I'm so happy. Alright, man.
Is that Ned right? Is that Ned ready?
Thanks, Mr. Smallmouth. continue using the Ned rig. Baby. Oh, baby. Got it. Not sure. Let's find out, baby. Oh, it's fighting so good. Oh, could be smallmouth. No, it's just my line. And get that shit, get that shit, get that shit. I'm bringing it up. 1, 2, 3. Dead. Gunda. Ah, smallmouth. Is it recording? Yes. This smallmouth is so freaking beautiful.
That's a nice one.
Oh man. Oh my god, look how beautiful this thing is. It's like finding a red Gyarados out of all the regular Gyarados. Oh man.
You got some scars on the other side. Yeah.
Oh dang, yeah. He's been through it. Oh yes. Look at it fight.
That's a nice one.
Woo!
That's a good size one.
Yay!
Here, dude.
Oh, hold on, I got a bite. I think. No, that's not a bite. Okay, so reel it now to about there, good. And then put your finger on the other finger.
This one?
That index finger. Yep.
Two?
Yep. Hold it like that. And then flip the bill with your other hand and then cast. But when you cast, you have to let go of your line.
Okay.
Yep, like that. Well, you gotta practice. I'm gonna switch over to the Senko. Since the rest of y'all going finesse, I'm gonna try something different.
What happened? The action. What happened?
Oh, I had one. Damn it. Yeah. Oh my god. Same spot. In between these rocks. Those 3 rocks.
What a dick.
Oh my god. There's some smallmouth in there. I can see my line moving. I'm gonna be extra patient this time, bruh. I missed it 3 times, bruh. Oh my god, I'm so sad. Dude, fishing on fluorocarbon is so hard.
Why?
I always get bird nest.
Oh, you had the whole thing for it?
Yeah.
It has a lot of memory, huh?
Yeah. It's hella hard.
Catch up, bro.
Never mind. Got one. As I was fixing the bird's nest. This one feels good. Oh yes.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, oh shoot. Don't get off, don't get off, don't get off. My bird's nest wasn't even fixed. Oh my. I bet you my camera's not even on, dude. I'm gonna let it fight some more. Holy
shit.
It was recording. Oh my god. Yes. This is the stuff that I'm talking about, boy.
Damn.
Where the give me my flyer, Spencer. Yeah. Woo, baby. Camera. Woo, baby.
That's a big one. That's a good one, man. Snap.
Nice, probably 2.5, 3 pounds. Whew. Whew. That's what's up. That is what's up. Be free, beautiful. Grant, when we get through the sandy area where the grass cuts off in the sand, try it. Am I on a fish? I think I am. I am. Oh, this feels like a good one too. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I'm at my limit. If I can land it, I'm at my limit.
That's just too deep.
This is another smallmouth. I bet it's fighting like one. Woo! Woo! Oh, come on. Stop fighting. Get over here. Nice. Nice. Yes. Woo! Yeah. Nice little 12-inch keeper. Puts me at my limit, baby.